Yo, welcome back to Ignition B Driving School. Still with me here, B. In this lesson, we're gonna talk about using your right foot to control the accelerator and the brake pedal in an automatic car. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-da! So this is how the pedals look like from the driver perspective. On the right side, this is the accelerator pedal or the throttle. This one over here in the middle is the brake pedal. Now, your right foot controlling the brake or the accelerator. For better control, you can anchor down your heel and tap the pedals and press gently like this. And it's also easy to swivel your right toe if you need to press the power like this. It is very natural movement. And how to press the pedal correctly is you tap the pedal first and press it gently. This is how it looks like from the side. Tap the pedal and press it slowly. Anchor down, tap the pedal, press it gently. The common mistake that people do is they have the tendency to kick the brake pedal like this. This is not good because the driver behind you may get surprised and cannot react in time. And also when you're floating your right foot like this, it's hard to keep the balance of the pressure you made for the pedals. Always try your brake pedal in an empty area first before you go for a real drive on the public road. Thank you for watching. Drive safe.